Hello, good morning from Munich. It's a beautiful day. If you haven't already, we arrived here yesterday, and yeah, today we're gonna go and explore. First order of business, I'm kind of on the hunt for a Dirndl, which is like the German traditional dress. And if you saw in our last video, I was thinking about maybe getting one from the store. That was like the cheapest we found it, but I think we're gonna head up some thrift stores and see if maybe we can get one cheap that way. I'm gonna see more of the city, and yeah, just have a good day. So let's go. This store was so cool. I wish I could have filmed more, but I don't want to be too awkward and rude. But yeah, I guess that's the name of it. It's wicked cool. There's a lot of funky stuff in there.
Gotta see things, see new places and brand new things. Gotta go places and do things, maybe to forget it.
Pretty crazy that this whole place is free. We thinking maybe it's a hotel or something. I don't really know, we just kind of walked in. did not find a dirndl. The one that we saw yesterday that was okay price at that store and it was really beautiful. It didn't fit, it was too big. I didn't want to pay someone to hem it or to take it in, and we don't really have the stuff to do that right now. That was a no for that one. Then we went to two secondhand stores that had a bunch of dirndls. One of them had decent prices, but the ones that fit were not pretty. There were pretty ones, but they were too small or too big.
Check it.
That is a wrap on Munich for today. We are going to find our way back and yeah, prepare for Bamberg tomorrow. Munich is a pretty cool city. I feel like we definitely probably could have used more time here. I know there's a lot we didn't see. There's like the surfing thing people do and the English garden and everything that we didn't get to see. Please hit subscribe. We're going to Bamberg, more of Germany coming up, and then other countries as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye-bye.